So now we have come back on our next lecture, which is how we can navigate through this dark web with safety. The dark web may be safety in some cases, so the only way to navigate safety on this part of the internet is by using a legit, or by going on using on legitimate way. So here there are some few safety issues to consider by using this part of the internet. The first one is criminal element. There is a chance that you find websites run by criminals. Beyond selling illegal goods and services, they may ask to exploit you and steal from you. So in this part of the internet, in the dark web, there is some criminal element. So there are some websites, as we saw in our previous lecture, there's some website that sold illegal things, illegal goods like drugs, like guns. So you have to be aware of that site. So the next one is breaking the law. You can be detained for things you do on the dark web. You have to know that in some country, internet criminals or internet by doing some illegal things in the internet is international court is just like it's 25 years in a prison. So it's important to behave in inappropriate and illegal manners. Go there to find safety, but by finding safety, don't use that part of the internet legally. So be aware of doing things on the dark web legally. So the next one is suspicious links. If you click on any link, you may be taken to material you might not want to see. Or it's also impossible that clicking in a link or downloading a file could infect your device with malware. So by clicking on the link in the dark web, you have to think twice. Okay, you have to think, is this link that I want? What if I click this link, will I get the things I want? So because by sometimes you will click on the link and you find that links you click can infect your device by bringing some malwares in your computer, like some viruses, some injection viruses and malwares. So before clicking on the link, before doing downloads on the dark web, you have to think twice before you click. So the next one is law enforcement. Law enforcement officials operate on the dark web to catch people engaged in criminal activities. So all the people on the dark web are not criminals. Some are those law enforcement. So they may ask you to send some things or to do things. So they will catch you while you are doing some criminal activities. It can come like engage you like it's just a criminal guy, but it's a law enforcement. So if you do things so that he can catch you, so be aware of doing those illegal things on the dark web. Like others on the dark web, law enforcement can do their work under cloak and anonymity. So by conclusion, if you decide to venture the dark web, it's smart to be selective about the website you access. For example, be smart. For example, if you are going to navigate through a website, first of all, think what I want through this website. The thing I'm going to go to do on this site, is it illegal or illegal? If you find it's illegal, do that things at your own risk. But if you find it's illegal, do that things in privacy. So now we have covered our course. We have covered everything about the dark web. If you have any question, if you didn't understand something, so the dark web is a large part, is the large part of the internet. I can't go through each and everything, but this is the introduction. This is the path that we guide you, where you can pass to reach through this part of the internet with safety. So now we have seen many things. We have seen how we can navigate through the dark web. So it's up to you to do some research, to do some to have some curiosity. So this is the word of curiosity. If you didn't get curiosity about some things, so you not be able to learn many things. So be curiosity. So have many curiosity so that you can be able to know many things. So in the internet, to know things, you have to do research. Even me, I can't cover everything in the dark web. So as I guide you through this path, through how you can navigate in the dark web with safety, so it's up to you to find other things we didn't cover. And also I promise you that this course, I will update this course every three months, so that it will be the best course of the dark web, and it will in this platform. So please ask me any question. If you didn't understand, if you get stuck, if you want to do something but you don't know how you can do it, I'll be there to help. If you want to navigate through some website and you want some advice, so I'm here to help, so that you can get scammed, or you can lose your money by doing some illegal things. So please ask me and I'll be there to help. And also I have a bonus of some links, dark web links. So you will find a PDF which has those links. You will be able to download and use it. So now, thank you. Let's meet in a question section. If you have question, if you have anything, please, I'll be there to help you. Thank you.